Okay.
Look at your eyes. Your crazy eyes.
Wait, let me lower it and make my eyes crazy. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. And today, I'll be making the Himiko Toga Cosplay. Now, this is the stuff I'm going to be using, along with this, and it's on my bed, and this thing. So this, you don't need the exact same colors for the inside part, because I'm just using this as the foam, so that it can be for the scarf. So we're going to start off with the scarf. This is the fabric that I will be using to cover it. Get this sewed, and my mom did it for me, and this is how it turned out. So far you have to just sew it, and then you can cover it with the fabric. It's a long process, but it looks really good in the end. So I'm gonna sew this again later, but for now I have to put the fabric on. So let's do that. Himiko Toga has like these needles, so if I kind of just use this and just heat this to make it look like a needle, and I use this to cover it, because she has this green fabric that just covers it so it can be cold. So I'm going to try to do that. But it turns out I am losing out. We're about to attach the needles, all the wires as well. So here we go.
Halloween. Happy Halloween. Alright, this is the final product of all that work. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
This works. For example.
Stabbing her friend Hope.
No!
Can I see the back?
Yes.
See, she's got the backpack and everything. Looks good, dude.
Oh no, I'm dying. I will hurt myself.
Yeah.
Y'all look so cute.
That's weird.
You've been trying to drag me for a
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I couldn't
The four of you stay together.
All right, welcome. Please enter.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, Kaylee, here's your back.
Comrades go. You left it. No man left behind.
Yes. Hope you left us behind.
Are they okay?